Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Let's crack OPSC. Hope all of your preparation going well. And yesterday OPSC has notified that the prelims examination for 2021, especially the exam is of 2020, which is going to be conducted in 2021, is tentatively scheduled in first week of May. So on the notice number, especially 2013, and yesterday it is being published. So time has come that you have to pull up your socks, that how you have to crack OPSC, how you have to crack OS examination, especially the prelim examination. And especially I will be teaching you about how you can easily crack prelim examination. If you will follow our total guidance and if you will follow the things which I am going to tell you, it is going to be very helpful for you. And in today's video I am going to tell you that what should be your strategy, how you should study, what should be your schedule that you have to follow for the next 45 days, so that you can easily crack OPSC prelim examination, OS prelim examination 2021. And let me do a quick analysis of last year's prelim examination question. In 2019, the question was in this particular setup. First, they asked 18 questions from the science. Nobody will guide you in any of the coaching institutes the way we deconstruct each and every aspect of the question and how you can address it. Especially the science and tech, there are 18 questions they asked. They asked around 18 questions. From current affair and government scheme, they asked around 17 questions. 17 questions from current affair as well as government scheme. Then polity, they asked 16 questions. History, they asked 16 questions. Environment, they asked 13 questions. Remember, environment, because OFS, Odisha Forest Service, is also included in this. So they are asking environment 13 questions. You cannot neglect environment. Economics and statistics, 7 questions. International organizations, prelims, only 1 question. Geography, they asked 12 questions. So if you will add this, 18 plus 17, 35 plus 32, 67, then 80, 88 and 12, that makes 100. So this one was the breakdown of last year's question. So you have to prioritize. You have to prioritize your studies in order to do the focus preparation. You are having very less time. And if you will follow our guidance in our course, then you will easily crack prelim examination. Especially the prelim examination is totally focused to check your knowledge, especially the knowledge that you have about all the things in general. And main examination is totally based on total your ability, your in-depth knowledge. So in order to focus on prelim examination, we have structured in such a way, our course is structured in such a way that it will help you to target 65 to 75 questions. Especially your target has to be 55 questions in order to be in safe zone. Why I personally say in order to be in safe zone? Basically, if you will score, it can go up to 60, it can go down up to 50 for unreserved category. I am not disputing that, depending upon the toughness of the question paper. So generally it is being around 55. If you are correct, if your correct answers after coming back from exam, if you find that you are able to correct at least 55 questions after deduction, remember this word, after deduction, if your particular answers you are getting around 55 right, then you are in the safe zone. Do not ask me for unreserved SC, BC, ST, SC, ST or ex-serviceman category. Forget about that. Your target has to be correct at least 55 questions after deduction. So after deduction is very important. And you know the OPSC examination, there is only 1/4 deduction of marks if you will go for a wrong answer. So in our strategy, which I am teaching in the prelim cum main subscription model, that each and every aspect we are covering, so that you do not waste your time and you are totally focused on your daily studies. So you have to divide, you have to make a schedule of your own, that how you have to cover the entire syllabus. See, it is not a hard fact, it is not cast in stone that you have to follow this particular strategy only. You can make your strategy of your own, because I am a science student and from political science background in the graduation, I have made this particular thing. You can reverse it. You can reverse it as per your comfortability, as per your liking. Then in the first 2 hours of the day, keep it reserved for revision of yesterday what you have studied. Psychologically it is proven, if you don't revise whatever you have studied, then obviously you are slowly going to forget it. So you have to keep the revision time and revision time for your what you have studied yesterday. First 2 hours of the day, always try to keep reserved for revision. Whatever you have studied for the yesterday, try to revise first 2 hours of the morning for revision purpose. Then take the subject of the day. Especially I have made it in such a way, Monday I have kept for polity. Then first 2 hours for revision, second then polity. The main topic of the day is polity in the first half. In the second half, I can reserve it for test series appearing as well as analysis. In the second half, in the morning, the entire focus will be on polity on that particular day. Second one is Tuesday, I have kept reserved for history. History for first 2 hours in the revision, then after coming, then take the topic of the day, that is history. Then second I have kept reserved for history or test series appearing. Then Wednesday, environment and geography, very important. Environment and geography are almost interrelated and many of the topics are overlapping each other. So you have to keep reserve this particular environment and geography, very important. Around 30 questions are being asked. 30 questions are being asked from environment and geography. So you cannot neglect this particular portion. So Wednesday you can keep it reserved for environment and geography, or any other day you can keep it for environment and geography. Thursday, economic, statistics and international organization. On that particular day you have to follow each and every aspect of economics plus government schemes. Government schemes you can keep it reserved for current affairs and government schemes, but statistics and international organization, economics, statistics and the international organization, what are the recent things happening, everything you have to reserve it for this particular day. Then Friday, science and tech. Science and tech includes everything starting from physical science, then life science, then health science, then the space science, defense science, everything you have to cover on this particular day. Even the emerging science and technology, whatever the things are happening in current times, because you have to be totally preparing in such a way that not only you are preparing for prelim examination, but you are also simultaneously preparing for the main examination, which will eventually happen at least 3 months from the prelim examination. You have to be very focused in your studies, so that whatever you are covering, cover it as if you are preparing for main. Though you are preparing for prelim, but your target has to be that I am covering this particular topic for the main perspective. You have to be very focused in your approach. Then current affairs and government scheme, very important. Current affairs is very important from the prelim perspective and government schemes are very important. You have to revise it. Whatever the government schemes are there, you have to be very much aware about what are the government schemes, because you will be quoting those government schemes in your main answer writing practice. You have to quote some of the government schemes which will further give you boost to your answer, as well as will add the high flair to your answer. So that is very important. Current affairs and government schemes you have to be including on this particular day. And weekly revision, Sunday you have to be the mega day. Mega day is for weekly revision. Weekly revision, you can keep the first half for the first 3 days revision, 1, 2, 3, and second half of the Sunday you can reserve for the next 3 days revision. You have to do it religiously. I am telling you, you have to do it religiously, and we will be guiding in our particular course that what things you have to focus on, what things you have to focus, what are the very important aspects they are going to ask. I have personally analyzed the question paper from 2015 onwards, the prelim examination, and I have seen a definitive pattern which I am going to share in my prelim cum main course, which is hardly will cost you 399 rupees per month, and for 6 months, and we will cover each and every aspect in detail, which I think personally nobody is covering. And especially the online platform, one of the online platform, they approached me to teach in their particular platform, but I personally believe they are taking so high cost. Everybody cannot give this high cost. So I personally believe I will guide quality education in affordable manner, so that each and every aspirant can get the quality education, best quality education, so that they can easily achieve their dream. In our test series, we are shortly going to give you the test series which will enable you to answer at least 65 to 75. My as well as my research team's target is to help you at least 65 to 75 questions you will be in a position to answer. And if you will do this, you will be in total safe zone. My test series and my team's research team test series was vision is this: at least enable you to guide only 65 to 75 questions. If you will answer this much, then you are totally in the safe zone, and it will hardly cost you 499 rupees one time. Then if you will take our monthly subscription, it will hardly cost you 399 rupees per month. And if you don't find that value we are not able to provide, then you can cancel it in the next month. That is the flexibility which we are providing in our particular prelim cum main course, and we will be covering entire bit of syllabus of prelim as well as main examination. I will be personally guiding you how you can easily crack prelim examination, tips and tricks, important the portion of syllabus which you will have to cover, so that you can easily crack. It will hardly cost you 2394 rupees per one time if you will pay the one time, or you can pay it on a monthly subscription basis. Trust me, we are here to help you out, and if you find this particular video helpful, then do share with your friends. Thank you very much. Those of you who are very much interested in our test series as well as prelim cum main course, I will give that in my email address in the description box. You can say hi in my email, then I will give my WhatsApp number, and through which we will be starting our course shortly. So do say hi, those of you who are interested, in my email address, which I will give in description. Thank you very much.